Hey guys, how are you guys doing? It's been a minute. Well, for me it's been a minute. For you it's only been like, I would say like 2-3 weeks, something like that. Not too bad, but for me it's been a minute. I hope you guys have been doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Today I kind of wanted to just sit down, relax, do my makeup, chit chat with you guys, you know, catch you guys up on things and stuff like that, because I haven't posted in a couple of weeks, which is kind of out of the norm for me because I tend to stick to a schedule. I usually post around 2 to 3 videos a week for you guys because I love doing this, but I will fill you guys on why I have been gone. I hope you guys have been doing good. I hope the world has been treating you well. I know things are still a struggle, but we're going to make it through it. We're going to make it through. Positive vibes, putting all of that good energy out there because that's what we want and that's what we want to get back. Let's just go ahead and get started. So I've already done my brows, as you guys can see, because I just didn't feel like doing them on camera. I'm gonna take my Bobbi Brown enriched base and put that on first. And if I'm looking this way, I have my mirror over there. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of my Milk Grip Primer and just put that in my T-zone, just a little bit. All right, now we can get started with the face. But yeah, how have you guys been doing? I hope you guys have been doing good. So the reason why I haven't posted in a little bit is because, one, I actually wanted to take a week break. Only a week break from YouTube and social media. I wasn't gonna post anything on Instagram or here for a week. So that was the plan. I was gonna use that week to rejuvenate, to just relax a little bit, you know, hopefully get some new ideas, get a little more creativity going on in my head. Because sometimes when you constantly put stuff out, like, you're getting shit done, but it can really, like, it makes you just, after a while you can kind of get tired or kind of feel like you feel like you just don't know what else to do. Like, so sometimes you got to take a little step back, take a little break, and give your brain time to kind of relax and kind of spark up some, you know, creativity. And because you can only do so much, you know. So that was the whole point of me wanting to take my week off of social media. And then this is where it starts to get fun. I'm kidding. It was horrific. I'm gonna go ahead and color correct like I usually do. So in the midst of me wanting to take my break, I got extremely sick. And what I had was, it wasn't COVID. I did actually go and get tested for that and ruled that out. My test was negative, so I did not have that, thank God. It was really bad. Like, I didn't go to class one day thinking that, okay, let me just get some rest, you know? And then the next day, I ended up in the ER. Well, I had to go to the ER. Basically, I had what you call pleural effusion. It's kind of like, it's similar to pneumonia. Basically, you just have fluid in your lungs, a little bit of fluid in your lower part of your lung, which, if any of you guys have ever had a pneumonia or experienced anything like that, you know the kind of pain that you are constantly in. When I tell you, like, it was only on my right side, thank God it wasn't in my entire, you know, both lungs, or I just thank God it was just one side of my body, because I don't know how I would have gotten through if it was both of my lungs. But basically, you have chest pains. You're every time you breathe, like inhale, like you cannot take a full deep breath. It feels like when you start to take a breath, you can't finish it because it hurts so bad. So that was concerning to me. Like, obviously, like, I'm in pain. I feel like it's chest pains. It feels like someone is, like, literally, like, taking a knife and like cutting down this whole entire side of me every time I try to breathe, every time I cough, laugh, anything that involved my diaphragm or any part of here, my body, done. capiche, not happening. The pain is unbearable. I've never experienced anything like that in my life. The thing with what I had is basically like you can't, well, obviously they give you antibiotics and medicine or whatever to help get rid of it, but you literally cannot do anything. Part of your recovery is not doing ish, because when you start to move around a lot, simple things such as like walking for a long time are very difficult. So you literally are bed bound, couch bound. You can't do anything. Like you have to force your body to just stop, because that's the only way you're gonna get better. The more you move around and the more active you try to be, the worse it's going to get. So that took me out for at least a week and a half. Well, I'm just so happy I feel better. But like I was so, and you guys know me, I'm sure you know me, I'm a very productive person. I don't like just not doing anything. I mean, obviously I have my days where I just want to relax and not, you know, chill, whatever, but for the most part I like to be productive, you know, film, you know, do a bunch of different things, get some content out. So the fact that I had to stop and like do nothing, it kind of put me in like a weird mood, you know, mind wise. Like I sort of kind of, sorry. I sort of just kind of became a little like, I'm not gonna say depressed because that's a strong word to use. I just was really out of it. I felt defeated. I felt like, I just felt terrible, and I did not like the space that I was in. And I'm just happy that I'm here again, because this makes me so happy. You guys have to realize, making content, like I'm not the type of person who's gonna fake something. If I'm gonna come on here, like I want you guys to see my personality, the person I truly really am. This is what you get. And putting yourself out there in social media, like if you're not right here, there's no way you can do it. People are going to see right through it, literally. Like it's gonna look fake. So if you're not right up here, if you're not feeling well within yourself, if you're going through stuff, you kind of fucked up. You can't really do much, because it's like, what are you supposed to do, you know? I thought I was gonna get right back into it. Like after last week, I was like, okay, I mean, this was gonna be the week. I get back to my groove, you know, work out, do this, film, and then every day it was just so difficult. Like I don't know why. And then yesterday I told myself, see, Lawreen, like we're not doing this, okay? You're gonna get up, you're gonna do what you need to do, you're gonna get back to your usual schedule, because I mean, if I keep letting myself be in this funk, where am I gonna end up? Like nothing good is coming out of it. So I'm just happy that I'm feeling good today. But yeah, I have not even applied any makeup on my face. Wow. Okay, let me start with some makeup. See, that's what happens when you talk. For foundation, I think I'm gonna mix my NARS Macao, my NARS Natural Longwear Radiant Foundation in the shade Macao, and my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 420. And I have my natural hair out. This is my natural hair. It's just out acting crazy, so there's that. We are looking good, looking good. I haven't worn this foundation in a while. I love this foundation, and this and the Fenty one. They're both really, really, really good. For concealer, I'm just gonna take my Milani concealer in the shade Deep Tan. On the bright side, I have started a show that I have been binge the hell watching. You guys are going to laugh when I tell you what it is. Obviously, with me having to slow down the last couple of weeks, it has left me with nothing to do but to watch TV. So I started, well, me and my best friend started this show last month, but I really dove into it this month, and that is The Real Housewives. I know. So addictive. Like it's so fun. It's funny. It's funny in the sense of I can't believe these women are grown as hell acting like this. I'm flying through. It's good. I can't even lie. It's good. It's good. If you guys watch Real Housewives, comment down below. I'm talking about Beverly Hills. Comment down below if you watch that and who your favorite person is. I'm on season 6 right now, so I'm interested to see if anyone else has the same feeling as I do about that show and who your favorites are. Cause boy, those women give me anxiety sometimes. I have to take a little break for them. I'm like, hold up. I can't watch you right now because you're doing too much, okay? You're doing too much. So I went ahead and finished blending out my concealer, and I bronzed with Hoola Toasted, and I set everything with my Laura Mercier powder in the new shade Honey, which is really, really nice. I really do like it. I'm glad they came out with that shade because this is a great powder. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some Morphe Setting Mist just to kind of revive my face a little bit. Like I said, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll figure it out. So I'm just gonna go in with the ABH Soft Glam palette and start to figure out what the hell we're gonna do. So what kind of content would you guys like to see? I have a couple of video ideas that I have been writing down that I think I want to film, but I also want to know what you guys want to see. Let me know. Comment down below. And I like to keep in touch with you guys. I love when you guys leave comments because I always make sure I reply to every single comment, no matter what it is, because I love talking to you guys and helping you guys with anything. If you have any questions, always feel free to ask because I will answer. I like this shade. It's very like neutral. It's the shade Rustic right here. It's really pretty. School's been going good. I'm crossing over next month to advanced, so I'm done with the core, the first 250 hours, because to get your license and becoming an esthetician, it's 1,000 hours of school. So I started on my birthday, so time's kind of flying. It's been almost 3 months now. Now I'm just darkening the outer corner a little bit with the shade Cypress Umber. So we've got that on the eyes. I'm gonna take my Dominique Latte palette. This is the first one that she came out with, and I'm gonna take the shade Espresso. It looks like this. It's like a cool green olivey kind of shimmer. It's really pretty. Like I said, I'm kind of going for fall vibes a little bit. I know it's still hot as hell outside, but baby, fall is coming. It's coming. Oh, it looks pretty. I like it. She has really nice shadows, by the way. I have a couple of videos using some of her palettes. She has very nice palettes. Okay, I like it. And then I kind of want to do an inner corner highlight, so I'm gonna take the shade next to it. It's called Macchiato. Looks like this, and I'm just gonna put that on the inner corner. Let me swatch it. I feel like it's like a, yeah, this is good. It's more cool toned. Kind of wanted to go for a different look today. I always do a bunch of gold bronzy things, so I wanted to use different, more of like a cool tone kind of look today. And I have a robe on, guys, by the way, if you're like wondering what the hell this is. It's a robe. Now we're going to line. I'm gonna take my Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Liner. Looks like this. It is in the shade, what shade is this? What shade is this? I don't know. It's a really deep dark brown color, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that my waterline. And I'm gonna take that same liner and just kind of put it on my lash line, smudge it a little bit because they're gonna blend this out, just to give a little smokier look in the outer edge of our eye. For mascara, I'm going to take my Maybelline Lash Lift. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on, and then I'll be right back and we can finish the rest of the face. Okay, awesome, cool. The lashes are on and this is what we're looking like so far. Now I'm gonna go ahead and jump into blush. I'm gonna use this BH blush palette in Vanilla Cherry. looks like this, and these are the shades inside. These are all shades that I love. I love shades like this. So pretty. I'm gonna go ahead in with this shade right here, and it's very pigmented, by the way, guys, so be aware. You do not need a lot. Like gosh, like literally I barely tapped into the palette. It's so hot in this room, guys. I think it's like 90 degrees outside right now. I kid you not. You want to see? You think I'm lying? Let me show you. Since y'all think I be complaining. Is it too bright? What does that say? 90 degrees. Yes, it's 90 degrees outside. I really like this. I definitely recommend you guys to check those blushes out. I think it's like $10 for those. So yeah, let's just move on to lips, and then I'll figure the rest out. I'm going to take my BFF4 lip liner. And then I'm gonna take a MAC lipstick in the shade Verve. It's a satin lipstick. It's like this muted brown mauve kind of color. Oh, I like that. I like that. I don't think I want to do anything else. I think this is good. I really like that. And we're just gonna set everything for the last time. I'm gonna use my all-nighter and spray. All right, guys, and there we have it. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for chit-chatting with me. I'm glad that I was able to come back and film and do what makes me happy again. I'm glad I'm feeling so much better, thank God. And I hope all of you guys are doing well and staying safe out there. Seriously, I hope everyone's doing good. Please make sure you follow protocols, make sure you wear your masks, make sure you're social distancing, make sure you're just trying to stay safe as well as keeping other people safe. And let me know what you guys would like to see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video if you like more laid back, chill content like this. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.